DJ? What's your name? DJ, very good. Where's your eyes? Wow! Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your nose? Very good. Where's your tongue? Tongue? Your teeth? Teeth. Your hair? Very good. Where's your hands? Hand. Hand. Feet. Where's the feet? Very good. Where's the ear? Very good. Where's your hair kulot? Very good. Where's your tutoy? Tutoy. Are you tutoy? Oh, sige. Where's your dede? Your dede. Your dede, like hero. How old are you? Two na agad. What's your name? Ay, eto anak ko. Show me the ano. Look oh. Ayan anak. Ito, bilis. Turo mo. Where's the apple? Very good. Where's the butterfly? Very good. Where's the cat? Cat. Where's the dog? Dog. Okay. Where's the fish? Where's the elephant? Okay. Goat. No, that's not a goat. Ito nak-goat to. Ito naman. Wait, where's the ice cream? Sarap. Where's the kitty cat? Where's the lion? Where's the moon? No, the other one. Dun. There. Where's the orange? Very good. Where's the rabbit? No, where's the rabbit? Rabbit. Here, baby. Where's the star? Oh, yung galing. Where's the turtle? Very good. There. Where's the zebra? There. Good. Ito naman. Oh, ayan, anak. Where is the butterfly? Wait. Ay, ayan. Wait. O, dance ka. Show mo, Papa. Later na. Ayan muna, para makita, oh. Papa, oh. Look at DJ, oh. O, sige.